Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have created a simple, easy and quick wedding makeup look. If you do like it, please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. So if you are ready, let's begin. Here I have already moisturized my face and also done my eyebrows. With this flat angled brush, I am going to clean borders of my eyebrows using the cream concealer from LA Girl Pro Contour Palette. Here I have used the primer from Insight Makeup Essentials, which is long lasting and oil free. This primer is great for combination skin. Then to conceal around my eyes, I am using Maybelline New York Concealer in the shade medium and blending it with a wet beauty blender. I am only setting on my lids with Benign Banana Powder from Makeup Revolution and using here the larger fluffy brush from Real Technique. Then I am going to pick light red eyeshadow with larger blending brush and placing it on my outer crease. Here I am also taking this smaller round brush and dark red eyeshadow, placing it on my crease. With this small round fluffy brush, I am going to fill the outer corner of my crease with this dark black eyeshadow. I am going to cut crease with the Maybelline Concealer and then placing a pigmented golden eyeshadow with my ring finger. And then to diffuse the golden eyeshadow, here I am using the same small fluffy brush. I will once again use the same larger blending brush to clear all the harsh lines and give it a soft look. For the liner, I am using here the eyeliner from Kiss Beauty. It's jet black in color, and I will also highlight the inner corner of my eyes at the same time. The mascara I am using here is from Neon Waterproof Mascara. With this small flat brush, I am going to line my entire lower lash line using the same light red color which I used on my outer crease. With the small definer brush, I am going to line my waterline very close to my lash line using the same dark black eyeshadow. For foundation, I am using here the foundation from L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte in the shade 108 Caramel Beige. It is light to medium coverage foundation and also gives a very good glow on my skin. Here I am using dense kabuki brush to blend my foundation. To highlight my face, I have used the concealer from Wet n Wild Photo Focus in light medium beige and it's cruelty free. Using here the wet beauty blender again. For cream contouring, I am using here LA Girl Pro Contour Palette with this flat brush. To set this concealer, I am using the Benign Banana Powder from Makeup Revolution, and with the large powder brush, I'm gonna dust it out so that it spreads evenly on my face. Here I have again darkened up my lower lash line eyeshadow so that it gives a dramatic look. Here I have done my falsies off camera, and these are from Taiwan, specialized, made by hand entirely. I took it from Flipkart. I will give you the link in the description below for your convenience. Here I am using the compact from Blue Heaven HD powder, and it's natural in shade. For powder contour, I have used the contour palette from Sugar Cosmetics, and I am in the shade 01 Topper Topper. The blush I am using here is from Maybelline, Professional and Fantastic Color, and the shade name is Rose Belly. And the lipstick is from Huda Beauty Matte HD 925 Waterproof and Kiss Proof in the shade Dark Pink. Here I have used a silver shimmery pigmented eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone. You can use any pigmented eyeshadow from your own palette. And to highlight my nose area and cheekbones, I have used here the highlighter from Swiss Beauty, which is light golden in color. And to enhance the bridal look, here I am wearing bangles, red bindi and some jewelries. And here's the complete easy quick wedding makeup look. What do you guys think? Comment me on the comment box below, and also always don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I have mentioned all the products in the description box right below this video.